Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to use Slack for team communication. Slack is a powerful communication tool that can be used to keep your team members connected and informed. Here are some steps you can take to make the most of Slack for team communication. First, create the channels. Channels are where most of your team's communication will happen. You can see the channels at the left side of your computer or window. So create channels for different topics such as general here. Can use it hashtag announcements. So we can add here a new channel which is hashtag announcements and hashtag marketing also. Marketing can create it. And last, a sales. So you can add a channel here about sales. This helps to keep the conversation organized and easy to follow. Next, invite team members. Yes, you can invite all team members to join Slack and join the relevant channels. This ensures everyone is on the same page and can access important information and updates. So, to join your team on Slack or your channel, just choose the channel you want to share. Sample here, I'm gonna choose marketing, then copy link. You can also copy name or copy huddle link. Set a guidelines establish. Yes, establish guidelines for using Slack, such as when to use direct messages, how to tag team members, and how to share files. This helps to prevent confusion and misunderstanding. So set a guidelines here. Example, I'm gonna set this. You can view channel details. And in here you can see the settings, integration, and members. Next, share files and documents. Slack allows you to share files and documents with your team. Use this feature to share important information such as project briefs, meeting notes, and agendas. So you can share it by using this icon here, which is right here. The link or attachment icon. Also, use integration Slack. Yes, Slack integrates with many other tools such as Google Drive, Trello, and Asana. Use this integration to streamline your team's workflow and keep everyone in one place. So, use integration. Also, encourage participants. Encourage team members to participate in conversation and share their ideas. This helps to foster collaboration and can lead them to better outcomes. And set notification. Yes, on Slack, you can set notifications for important channels and direct messages. This ensures you don't miss any important updates or messages from your team. By following these steps, you can use Slack to keep your team connected and informed and improve your team's communication and collaboration. But there are more features in Slack that you need to know. One is direct messages. Yes, Slack allows you to send direct messages to individual team members or group of team members. This can be useful for private conversation or for discussion specific topics, which is a smaller groups. Also in Slack there are trends feature that allows you to keep conversation organized within a channel. When someone replies to a message in a trend or thread, it keeps the conversation separate from the main channel conversation. Also, mention and reaction. You can use at mentions to get someone's attention in a channel or message and use such a like or heart to show your response to a message. So, use at to mention a person or someone. Status updates. Slack allows you to set a status update that is visible to your team members. This can be useful for letting others know when you're in a meeting or out of the office. And next, voice and video calls. Slack allows you to make to make voice and video calls within your team members directly within the app. This can be useful for remote teams or for quick meetings. Next, app integration. Yes, Slack integrates with many other apps such as uh, the following application like Google Drive, Trello, and Asana. And last, customization. Slack allows you to customize your workspace with themes, emojis, and other settings, making it more personalized and enjoyable to use. So that's how to use Slack for team communication. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.